surprised how much we did actually. 5 days, covered everything I expected and more. So I've come away, went to the Himalayas. I could have done with going here first. I think I've come away much more confident now.
It's just been amazing. I've just learnt so much. Teamwork is paramount, and basically just overcoming the fears. So if there's anything that's holding me back, put it aside and just go on, march on.
Sit on top of there just knowing where you've come from, and then you're sat on top of this beautiful mountain looking both at France and Spain. It's really good.